Now, to the housing sector, contractors are being urged to fully align their operations with the National Building Code 2024 as the government steps up efforts to modernize and professionalize the construction sector. Public Works Cabinet Secretary Alice Wahome says enforcement of standards has been intensified, saying the government will not compromise on quality.
In response to rising cases of building collapses and substandard works due to outdated compliance systems, the government moved to strengthen its regulatory framework with the gazettement of the National Building Code 2024. It is against this backdrop that stakeholders at the 2025 Annual Contractors Conference in Nairobi are urging contractors to fully align their operations with the new code, citing it as a critical tool for restoring order in the industry.
The National Building Code 2024 is already bearing fruits. A few months after it came into effect on 1st of March 2025.
First, user-centered, digitally adaptable, code that harmonizes decades of fragmented standards into a cohesive framework for modern, safe and sustainable construction.
National Construction Authority says it is committed to ensuring compliance across all construction activities.
It is time for all Kenyans to be aware of this policy because we understand and we are aware that there are some masqueraders and rotten apples that we now intend to do more targeted weeding out of the same, because we know majority of our contractors are compliant with the law.
We don't want to see anything like a failed building, a failed construction, wasted investments. We just want to get it right from the word go.
Through strengthened enforcement, digitization of approvals, training of county officers, and mandatory compliance pathways for developers and contractors, we are creating a safety net that protects both lives and livelihoods. For every safe building, there is a family spared from tragedy or a business enterprise that is spared.
Held under the theme innovatively integrating the National Building Code 2024 into the current technical construction and infrastructure landscape, the conference also marked the official launch of the Construction Excellence Awards, an initiative to recognize and reward outstanding achievements in the sector.